credit account, BR account, BP account, cash account, statement of pay. To find out the capital, then we have to prepare a trading profit and loss account and a balance sheet. So in consignment, we have got two parties. One is called consignor and is called the consignee. Consignor is the owner, consignee is the agent. Section C, you may ask 3 or 4. You have to answer any two, each carrying 15 marks. 2 into 15 is 30. Hello, my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramanya, called by name Dr. B.S. Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. In this session, I am going to hand Advanced Financial Accounting, second semester BCom of Introduction class. Here I am going to give the syllabus and the content in detail. Agenda, what are the syllabus are, what are the learning outcome are, how many units are there, how many internals we are going to conduct, what are the exam pattern. So the split value of this agenda is syllabus, learning outcome, units, internal, exam pattern. We'll move on. The syllabus are preparation of accounts from incomplete records, nothing but single entry system of bookkeeping. This is accounting for hire purchase system and installment system. So both will come. Accounts for royalties, accounting for consignment transaction, accounting for leases. So there are 5 units. Preparation of accounts from incomplete record means single entry to double entry system. Accounting for hire purchase and installment system, accounting for royalties, accounting for consignment transaction, accounting for leases. Generally, a question will be asked for 15 marks. 15 marks is only theory. Sometimes they may ask the problem. We'll go with the syllabus now. Preparation accounts from incomplete record, meaning of incomplete single entry, their merits and demerits of system of bookkeeping, problems on conversion of single entry to double entry system. Here we are going to explain what is single entry, what is double entry, what are the principles to be followed by conversion of single entry to double entry system, and we are going to explain what is double entry system, what is single entry system, difference between single entry and double entry, and problems on conversion of single entry to double entry, what are the steps to be followed, which are the accounts to be followed. Generally, what we'll do now, we have to prepare one statement of affairs, debtor account, creditor account, bill receivable account, bills payable account, and cash account generally. So which are the accounts we are going to prepare? Debtor account, creditor account, BR account, BP account, cash account, statement of pay. To find out the capital, then we have to prepare a trading profit and loss account and a balance sheet. Then we'll move on. Accounting for hire purchase system and installment system. Meaning of hire purchase, meaning of installment, features of hire purchase installment, problems on hire purchase system, credit purchase method only, and installment method, interest suspense method only. So as per the University of Mysore, here accounting for hire purchase system and installment system, meaning, features means characteristics, problems on hire purchase system, credit purchase method only, and installment method, interest suspense method only. So here we are going to deal, 2 units will come. One is called hire purchase, one is called installment. We are going to study the features of hire purchase, features of installment. Then we'll bring out the difference between hire purchase and installment. And we are going to solve the problems on hire purchase on the basis of credit purchase method. We are going to explain what is credit purchase method, and installment method, only interest suspense method. We are going to start here for the installment system. We will move on. In Unit 3, we come across accounting for royalties, minimum rent, short. Here we are going to explain what do you mean by royalty, what do you mean by minimum rent, what do you mean by short working, recovery of short working, analytical table preparation of ledger account in the books of both the party. There are two parties are there. One is called the holder of the particularly lessor and lessee. Lessor is the owner, lessee the man who utilized that particular land. We are going to prepare the ledger account in both the party. Here we are going to explain what is royalty, what is minimum rent, what is short working, how to construct the table. Then we are find out the lessor and lessee, who is a lessor, who is a lessee. All we are going to explain in detail. Unit 4, accounting for consignment transaction. So in consignment, we have got two parties. One is called consignor and is called the consignee. Consignor is the owner, consignee is the agent. Goods are sent by consignor either at cost price or invoice price. Both are probably contain types of commission. How many commission will come? Commission is payable by the owner, consignor to consignee. What are the types of commission? Account sale department. Let's say how the account sale, this will become format you have to write. Here, valuation of goods lost in transit, valuation stock on consignment. This is nothing but closing stock. Then problems on cost price and invoice price. Here we are going to explain what is consignment transaction. Then when the goods are sent either at a cost price or invoice price means cost plus profit, nothing but selling price. Then account sale format you have to write. Valuation of goods lost in transit, valuation of stock on consignment, there is closing stock, problems on cost price and invoice price. Then unit 5, accounting for leases. Here we are going to explain the theory, operating lease accounting and finance lease accounting. Generally, this is theory they will ask. They may ask some problems on operating lease and financial lease. Then internal 30 mass, which can be converted to 20. Here, this system, we come across SCP. Here, we come across 120, 80 mass here, internal 20 mass, 80 mass is the paper. First, we'll conduct internal for 30, which can be converted into 20. Unit 1, Unit 2, first and second. Unit 3, Unit 4, 3 and 4 for second. Unit 5, all the 3 internal mass will be divided by 3. 30 mass will be converted into 20 mass. Then 80 mass question. In the section A, we ask 7 questions. You have to answer any 5, each carrying the 5 mass, 4 into 5, 20. So we'll ask about 6. You have to answer any 4, each carrying 5, 4 into 5, 20. Section B, you have to answer any, we'll give the 5 questions. You have to answer any 3, 3 into 10, 30. Section C, you may ask 3 or 4. You have to answer any 2, each carrying 15 marks. 2 into 15 is 30. Here, you have to answer 4 questions out of 6, each carrying 5 marks. 4 into 5, 20. Here, we have to answer out of 5, 3 questions, 3 into 10, 30. Here, you have to answer any 2, each carrying 15 marks. So, they may ask 3 questions or 4 questions, depend upon. So, 2 into 15 is 30, totally 80 marks coverage. So, minimum 35% of 80 you have to score, totally 40 marks coverage to pass regarding the internal remaining. So, here 35% of this. Then, whatever the balance comes that you have to score from the internal. If you score less than 40, so minimum to pass is 40 marks. So, books for reference, Ishwara Gowda P, good book, S.N. Maheshwari, B.S. Raman, Suresh B. These are all the books recommended. So, books are available. So, S.N. Maheshwari is a very good book here. S.N. Maheshwari, B.S. Raman, then Suresh B, Ishwara Gowda. So, this system is systematically built up by the University of Mysore. Very good questions they have put. The consignment they have put. Hire purchase they post. The following. The incomplete records are there. Then we have got a lease or their accounts are there. All have been beautifully drafted here. So when you go for a problem, I'm going to explain what is incomplete record, what is single entry, what is double entry, difference between single entry into double entry, what is hire purchase, what is installment, difference between hire purchase and installment, what is consignment, what is commission, what are the things that will come under consignment. Then we have the royalty, meaning of minimum rent, meaning of short working, how short working will get. All we are going to need. Last chapter is the lease. They may ask only there is some problem may come here in the lease. So I'm going to explain. Hope we'll meet in the next session with a problem of incomplete record. Incomplete record is nothing but single entry. What do you mean by single entry? What do you mean by double entry? How to convert single entry to double entry? What are the procedure to be followed? All we are going to deal in the next session with the problem. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next session with a problem.